Let's be honest with each other. Let's be honest. Life in South Africa isn't getting easier for everyone. Inflation has reached 5% in June 2026, while the official unemployment rate climbed to 33.6% in the second quarter of 2026. So maybe, just maybe, it's time to stop waiting for everything to change around us and start thinking differently about our own future. I'm not saying quit your job. And I'm certainly not saying there's a magic solution, but I do believe it's worth asking yourself, what can I do today that could make my future a little stronger? Maybe it's learning a new skill. Maybe it's exploring an online opportunity. Maybe it's simply finding a way to create an additional option alongside what you already have. Chance and change doesn't happen overnight. It starts with a decision, a little courage, and consistent action. You can't control the economy, but you can control whether you just keep looking for new possibilities. So instead of waiting for something and things to get easier, perhaps it's time to start thinking differently. I've done that. Put a yes in my comments. I'll send you the detail and you can make a decision.